Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fidelity for bank-to-brokerage transfers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Fidelity. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to access your Fidelity account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Transfer Funds. You will see options for various types of transfers. Choose the bank-to-brokerage transfer option. Next, click on the Get Started button to begin the transfer process. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security code sent to your registered mobile number or email. After verification, you will need to specify the amount you wish to transfer. Select your bank account from which the funds will be withdrawn. If your bank is not listed, you can add it by providing the bank's routing number and your account number. Review the information to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click the Continue or Next button to proceed. You may be asked to select a reason for the transfer. Choose an appropriate reason from the provided options. On the next page, review the transfer summary to check all details once again. After verifying the summary, click on the Submit button to finalize the transfer. A confirmation screen will appear, and you should receive an email confirming your transfer request. Keep an eye on your Fidelity account, as it may take a few business days for the transfer to complete. That's it. You have successfully registered for bank-to-brokerage transfers with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.